In class today we are going to see the chapter A House is Not a Home. Now here there are characters, the teenager, the pet cat and the stranger, as I told you in first video. So teenager joins a new school. The teenager joins a new school, that is high school. He finds it strange and awkward as his closest friends are in a different school. He misses his old friends and teachers and goes to meet his old teachers regularly. So teenager's house catches fire. One day while the teenager is doing his homework, his house catches fire. Now here what happened? His house catches fire. He and his mother run outside the house. He goes to his neighbors to call the fire brigade while his mother rushes inside to get some important documents and the picture of his father. He is terrified on seeing his mother go inside the burning house and in the process of saving his mother forgets about his pet cat. Then later on, after 5 hours, the firemen are successful in extinguishing the fire. You can see in the picture also how the firemen are successful in extinguishing the fire. The teenager suddenly realizes that his pet cat is missing. He searches it everywhere but is unable to find it. He cries from the loss of his cat, and he cries for the loss of his pet cat. He and his mother shift to his grandparents' home as their house has been completely destroyed by the fire. The next day, teenager goes to school. His clothes look weird. Now here, so the teenager went there and his clothes seems to be weird, and he does not have any book or school bags because everything whatever he had like books, school bags, everything was destroyed in the fire. So here what happened, he had his mother shift to his grandfather's house and everything was destroyed in the fire. He feels strange going like this to the school and wants to die, and his old school, his friends and house and his pet cat have been taken away from him. Now after school, the stranger revisit his house and find that the damage due to the fire is huge. His heart misses his cat and he is unable to find it. He visits the house every now and then in the hope in finding his cat, but it seems to be nowhere. Now here, the news about the destruction of his house spreads in the new school. Everybody in the school become aware of his condition. His schoolmates help him by giving him school supplies, notebooks and clothes. The students introduce themselves to him and invite him to come to their home. This incident helps him open up to them, and thus he makes a few friends. Now one day while he is watching the rebuilding of his house, a lady comes and asks him if the cat is carrying was his. He is overjoyed when he sees that she is carrying his pet cat. He takes it from her arms and holds her close to him and cries. He feels grateful for his life, his new friends, the kindness of a stranger and his beloved cat. Now finally he got his cat. So one lady, he just hand over the cat and it makes the teenager very happy. So that's all about this chapter.